Guys, today I'm going to show you how to insert Roman numerals and numbers at the same time on your page within just 1 minute. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more videos. Let's begin. So first of all, you go to insert, then come to page numbers. Okay, so we just start with Roman numerals first. Maybe if you are doing project or something, so we just start with the page Roman numerals. So we come here, select Roman numerals, start at, press OK. Let's see if it has come. No, nothing has showed. So after doing this, you have to go back, select here, to select bottom page, then click print number. So you see it has come. Start from I. Okay. IV. VI. So we move quickly to the numbers. So we want to insert numbers from here, from the other page. So we go here, layout, and go to breaks, and we select next page to move to another page. So then we move to insert, then we come to number page. So we go to format page, we select numbers 1 to 3, start at 1 to 3. Okay, yes, okay. Then come back again, select bottom of page, then select PC 1, start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, then add to. So guys, 35. So guys, this is how we do how to insert both numerals and numbers in Microsoft